Hey, how's it guys, and welcome back to Shoyu Saturdays. Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu, and today we'll be making a classic island favorite, Chinese chicken salad. And if you want any of these recipes, check out our website at alohashoyu.com and subscribe to our newsletter where you'll see recipes you can do at home using Aloha Shoyu products. Alright, for today's recipe, we'll be making a dressing out of sugar, some salad oil, black pepper, and Aloha Shoyu's cider vinegar, some sesame oil. We'll cook up some chicken thighs. We'll fry up some fresh wontons. And for the salad, you'll be needing cilantro, some julienne carrots, romaine lettuce, some navel orange segments, some red cabbage. We got Napa cabbage here also. We have jicama, which is a root vegetable that is like an apple and a daikon, radish. And then optional, if you want peanuts, you can either use peanuts or cashews or whatever nuts you want. Okay, let's saute our chicken thigh. We'll just put a little oil on a hot pan. Just a touch. And then we'll just put the chicken thigh. We already pre-seasoned with salt and pepper. You can either use chicken breast or whatever. If you want thighs, thigh tends to be more moist and tender. And with the chicken breast, you can cook it and then shred it later. Later, we're gonna dice these up. So we just wanna pan fry it a little, maybe about 2 minutes on each side, so they're nice and golden brown. Alright, we have these chicken thighs searing for 2 minutes, and now we're just gonna turn it over. Nice golden brown color, nice sear. And then we'll do the other side for another 2 minutes. And then when we're done, we're just gonna take it out of the pan and let it chill. Alright, so we'll just let that other side sear for another 2 minutes. And when it's done, we'll just put it on the side and let it cool off. And now let's go and deep fry our fresh strip wontons. Alright, we have a deep fat fryer here, and if you don't have one, a saute pan with oil should do the trick. So right now we have the deep fat fryer at 350, and we'll just drop our fresh wontons into the oil. Until they puff up and turn golden brown. Alright, the wonton strips are almost done. We're just gonna take it out of the oil, and look at that, nice and golden brown. Let that drain, and then we'll come back to this when we're ready to finish the plate. Alright, so our chicken thigh is done. It's been cooled. And now we're just gonna dice it up. Some big dice, large dice, bite-sized pieces. And then we're just gonna put this on the side. And now we're gonna make the dressing. Alright, Chinese chicken salad dressing. We'll start with Aloha Shoyu's cider vinegar. We're gonna put a cup. Into the bowl. And to this, we're gonna put 1 cup of sugar. And then we're gonna whisk it till the sugar dissolves. Now we just want to season with black pepper. Okay. Now we add about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Alright, and then now we're gonna add 2 cups of salad oil. You want to add it slowly at a time while you whisk so that it emulsifies the dressing. All right, so all of the salad oil went in, and while you keep whisking it, it'll emulsify, and it's at this stage right here. And then we're ready to assemble our salad. So let's put some Napa cabbage, some romaine lettuce, and then we'll put julienne carrot, some red cabbage, then we'll put jicama. Again, it's a cross between an apple and a radish, a little sweetness. Tear some cilantro, put it in there, a little more, and then we'll put our dressing in. Probably like a 1/4 cup. A little goes a long way. Okay, and we're just gonna toss all of this, having the dressing combine with all of the ingredients. All right, and just put it in the center of the bowl, making sure you have everything there. Nice colors. All right, and then we'll just put some of that diced chicken that we cooked off and cooled right on top. And just let it fall. And then you got the oranges just around the plate like that. And then for optional, if you want to put peanuts, cashews, now is the time. And then we just put it right around the plate. And then we'll just drizzle a little more of the dressing right on top. And now we're going to garnish it with our fried wontons. And some cilantro leaves right on top. All right, and there you have it, an island favorite of Chinese chicken salad. And if you enjoyed this recipe, you'll find other recipes on our website, aloha-shoyu.com. Subscribe to our newsletter, and then we'll see you next week for a new recipe on Aloha Shoyu Saturdays.